Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have Spotify or if you use Spotify a lot on your Windows computer or any other operating system and you still use the boring old look like this, then you are missing out a lot of things that I should really let you know. As you can see, Spotify has a whole lot of features that you can even include it to expand your listening and also take your Spotify application to the next level. And in this video, I'm going to show you everything that you have to know in order to make your Spotify professional. First thing first, in order to get this up and running, there are two separate Spotify applications that we guys have been using, and to get this application to run smoothly and get all the features, we have to get the application from the browser. Spotify has a Microsoft version where you can download it from the Microsoft Store, and with that version, it's kind of logged up and you can't do anything about it. It has that same boring look and you can't even customize it. So the first thing I recommend you do is to uninstall the Spotify application that you already have on your computer, and with that you can just right click on it and just click on uninstall, or you can just come to your settings and go to your apps, and here you can click on installed apps over here, and you can even search for Spotify and just click on this to uninstall. Once you have it uninstalled, you have to open a browser of your choice, and here you can just type Spotify offline installer. Once you search for Spotify offline installer, you can just click on the first link that pops up over here, and what you have to do is to select your operating system version. So I'm just going to go with the Windows version over here, and you can either download from Microsoft Store, which we are not going to do that. Just click on download directly from Spotify and you are going to see it's been downloaded, and you can just open it up. Once you open it, it's then going to install the Spotify application for you, which might take a little seconds based on your internet speed. Once you have it installed, you can just log in into your Spotify application in order to get access to your Spotify. Now my Spotify is fully installed, and now you can see there are a whole lot of stuff over here. They have announcements, and sometimes it also even shows ad. And with this, I'm going to show you everything that you need to know and how you can get rid of ad and the rest inside it to take your experience to the next level. So to do that, you can just close this Spotify application and you can just search for Spicetify in your browser, and what you have to do is to click on the first link over here, which is going to take you to the official website of Spicetify. And what you have to do here is to click on get started. If you don't know Spicetify is a tool which is being used to patch Spotify in order to enhance it and give it its maximum extensions and tools that can really elevate it. So with this, to patch your Spotify to get access to it, you can either choose the operating system you want over here, which I'm going to go for Windows because I'm on Windows, and just click on this to copy the command. And what you have to do over here is to actually look for PowerShell, and what you have to do is to never run PowerShell as administrator over here. You just have to click on it to open it up, and once it's open, you can just paste the command over here and click on enter. And what it's going to do is to install the Spicetify application for you in order to take your Spotify application to the next level. Here, the only thing you have to do here is to just click on Y and just click on enter again, and it's going to install everything for you easily and faster. Once you have it installed, it will automatically open Spotify for you, and if it didn't, you can just open it up yourself, and you are going to see there's this new marketplace button over here, and this unlocks everything. With this, we have an extension section where we have a whole lot of extensions which you can actually get into your Spotify to take it to the next level. We have a theme section where you can install custom themes to really elevate the entire look of your Spotify. We have snippet section where you can add some nifty snippets and the rest to take it to the next level. We have apps where it kind of shows some pretty cool applications which you can integrate into your Spotify application. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to show you my favorite ones among them and take your Spotify to the next level. So with the extensions tab, if you use Spotify free version, the first thing you have to install here is this one, which is the Spicetify. And with this, you can just click on it and reload your Spotify application, and you are going to see that even the banner at the top section has been removed, and it has gotten rid of all those adverts inside the Spotify application, and this is pretty cool. The next thing you have to also check is over here we have the install section, where any mod that you installed or any extension you add into your Spotify is going to be showed here, so that you can later remove it if you don't want it. So with that, we can just go ahead and look for another one, and we have this beautiful lyrics over here, and this is one of the nicest lyrics extension you can add to your Spotify. So if you really like this one too, you can just click on it to actually load it into your Spotify application, and it's going to be added. So with this, it's going to give you a nice lyrics which is very professional more than this, but I found this one to be a little broken, and what you can do over here is you just search for my favorite one, which is called Lucid Lyrics, and this is beautiful. So with this, you can just click on reload now, and with this, any music that you play is going to have this button over here, which is the Lucid Lyrics, and when I click on it, you are going to see this beautiful lyrics which has been replaced the default one, and this is pretty nice. And not only that, when I click on this enter full screen mode, you are going to see this beautiful full screen section where it shows the lyrics alongside it. And I find this to be pretty cool because it really elevates how your Spotify application look, and this is very nice. You can also click on this one as well to also enter your full screen, which will also show the lyrics and everything alongside the music video to really elevate the look and make it more professional. Few of my favorite extensions which I'm going to show you is from the theme section, and here there are endless customization which you can really add to your Spotify to make it more professional. So with this session, they have a whole lot of themes over here, and I'm actually going to show you my favorite ones. The first one you can see here is this bloom theme here, and it really add this flaunt design which is from Microsoft to your Spotify application, and it looks pretty cool and nice in a way. But there are a whole lot of themes over here, and one of my favorite one over here is called Lucid, and this Lucid themes has a whole lot of themes and customizations that can really elevate your Spotify. And now you can see that any music that I play has that beautiful banner at the background of my Spotify application, and I think this is a pretty cool implementation you can add. They also have a section here where you can click on it and customize it to the fullest over here, and it's pretty cool. But in order not to make this video a little longer, I'm just going to skip it. You can just check it out for yourself, and also there are a whole lot of themes that are also here again. The next one I'm going to show you is called Appleify, and this actually elevates the entire look of your Spotify to look like Apple Music application, and this is also a nice look if you really want to convince people to make them know that maybe you are using an Apple Music application. Then this is pretty cool. You can take it to that level too. They also have a theme called Liquify, and with this Liquify, it really elevates your whole entire look to give it a nice liquid glass effect, and this is beautiful. We all know how liquid glass effect has been really dominating these days, and with this theme, it can really elevate the look of your Spotify to give it a nice liquid glass effect, and this is nice. You can also check this one for yourself. And also, let's move to the snippet section over here, and with the snippet section, they have a whole lot of small nifty stuff that really elevates your listening and your UI look. We have this nice sonic dancing, and this shows when you are playing music and you see your Spotify music bar showing this sonic icon dancing to it, and it's pretty nice. We also have some cool stuff over here like hiding some features and the rest in order to make your Spotify more professional and a little more beautiful. So you can feel free and check it out for yourself. You also have this app section, and here it comes with a whole lot of add-ons which can really elevate the look of your Spotify application and make it look professional. So yeah, in order not to make this video that long, I'm going to leave the rest to you guys for you to access it and check it out for yourself and really elevate the look of your Spotify application. So this is it for this video. If you have any question, you can just comment it down below, and if you really like videos like this that can really elevate your digital space, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.